Hello you guys, this is Naaz Arora. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about makeup products that one must have and also products that are discontinued but we need them very recently I was going through my vanity and I found out some makeup products that I love and I thought of sharing it with you guys. So let's begin. The first product that I love is this palette from Try Sugar. This is a beautiful eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade 04 Fetish and look at all these colors. They're highly pigmented. Let me show that. This is literally one swatch pigment and there you go for the neutral color. It's super highly pigmented, one of my favorite drugstore palettes when it comes to eyeshadows. This is by Try Sugar and it's in the shade 04 Fetish and the product amount is 1199. That is almost 1200 rupees. Definitely, if you're looking for a budget-friendly neutral palette, this is your pick. Another product from Try Sugar that I have been loving is this Contour D4 Face Palette. It's in the shade 03 Fierce Feet and the pricing is not mentioned here, but definitely I'll put it across on the screen and you can literally see I have hit pan with this palette. The highlighter is almost over, which means it's perfect for Indian skin tone. Then the contour has also hit pan and the blush, look at that color, look at that finishing. This again is highly pigmented and okay, that's the contour shade. The highlighter is not there, so I can't swatch it, but look at this beauty. This also is almost around 1300 rupees if I remember very well. Your 3-in-1 palette, definitely a must purchase. Next palette I think is discontinued. This one is from Kylie. This is also a pressed powder face palette and this has a blush, bronzer and highlighter. You can see I've literally hit pan with everything here. So this is a good palette if you are looking for mixed skin tones, not just in Indian skin tone, but to work with fairer skin tones. This is a good palette, but I think this has been discontinued, so we will find out something else. Another palette that has been discontinued but had my heart is the Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics palette. Look at these colors, they're beautifully done. Neutral shades can be used to create multiple eye looks and it comes with a brush, which I think went missing, but loved this palette. Products that are discontinued should come back are these two. I love both these products. One is from Urban Decay, they are very good with their eyeshadow palettes, and second is from Kylie, but you can still skip, but this one, please Urban Decay, bring it back. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment, share and subscribe. I'm Naaz Arora. I will see you very soon. Bye.